So I've tested for a couple of days the Rode Videomic GO on my Fuji XT3 mirrorless camera, and I experienced a random static or hiss noise using the Rode microphone. And what I did was I tried a different microphone on my camera and tried the Rode microphone on another camera, but I was not able to reproduce the problem. Now it turned out that the issue was on my voltage regulator, which is located on my floor. So when it's turned off, I'm not experiencing the hiss noise on this Rode microphone. But the issue is quite weird because I have to turn off my voltage regulator. So let me know your experience on this Rode Videomic GO. Although this is the more cheaper version compared to the Rode Videomic Pro, but I guess this is a pain in the butt because although it's cheap, but it's not very cheap compared to the other brands. So let me know your thoughts or experience on this Videomic GO hiss noise on a mirrorless camera like Fuji XT3. Thank you.